Think your Discord server is actually secure? Most server owners believe everything is fine, until it's too late. Hidden permission vulnerabilities, duplicate roles, unused channels, and dangerous configurations can put your entire community at risk. Meet Sentinel, the next-generation Discord server inspector. In just a few seconds, Sentinel performs a complete audit of your server, analyzing permissions, channels, roles, security settings, and overall organization. Instead of overwhelming you with data, Sentinel generates a clear, professional report that highlights every issue and explains exactly what needs attention. Need a quick solution? Simply click Auto-Fix. Sentinel automatically resolves common security issues, removes unnecessary clutter, optimizes your server structure, and helps improve your overall server health score. Whether you're managing a small community or a large Discord server with thousands of members, Sentinel gives you the tools to keep everything secure. Protect, analyze, fix. Start your first scan today with Sentinel.